This is my new bud, Ollie. He's the stud of the day. Aren't you, bud? Yeah, you are. He's pointed almost every bird we've got today. You got it under control, don't you? A little bit of an interesting moment right here. I'm on dog patrol because there's a fire, and two of the guys we're hunting with are on the volunteer fire department here. So they have rushed off to fight fire. Thank you for your service. So Ollie and I, we're gonna sit here. Hopefully, we get some more birds. Stick with us. We just had an exciting moment.
Yes, we did.
This guy, you probably saw him on our Wyoming antelope hunting trip. Michael, my coworker, just shot his first wild pheasant.
Yes, sir.
And I had a hell of a time. I just shot a triple, so I'm kind of bird dogging right now. This is very exciting. We're gonna hunt this little waterway here. I think it's gonna get good.
See if we can kick up another couple.
Stick with us. Welcome to the Buck Boys. Rooster! It went down?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got one.
Good job, bud.
Ollie, come. Ollie, come.
Max, no.
Where, bud? Where, bud?
That's how it's done, boys.
Right. No.
Good boy. Leave it.
Good boy. There's a lot of birds in there.
Yeah. I told you, I was like, I bet you $5 we get a bird out of there.
We got a point? Yeah. Rooster! Nice! Whoever shot second pounded him. That sucks.
No.
You about damn near stepped on that one, huh? And I'm done, boys! Woohoo! Oh my God, how the hell did I pull that off? Oh, that was sick. Hey, don't chew it up. Stop. Stop. That was friggin' awesome. Oh my God. That's a pretty bird. Thank you, sir. Yep. Here, can I just have you put it in?
Yeah, absolutely. Get in there, buddy.
It's a tight fit at this point.
We're full.
Thank you, sir.
Nice shooting.
Appreciate it.
Woo. Let's go. I've never seen a triple one.
threw the shell in and Raptor's shut. Oh my god.
You have the GoPro on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Deer? Nice, Michael. Nice shot, man. Someone needs to come stay next to me because they're all getting
Nash, no. Nash, come.
Did you get it? Look at that pretty bird.
Nash.
Still raining feathers.
I had to wait for it to get above the freaking power line. I was on it. I was waiting for it. Yeah. Once it cleared the power line, I was like, all right, time to shoot. You just dropped your gun and caught that thing.
Good morning, everyone. We are up here in north central Iowa. We are pheasant hunting. We've got a group of 6 of us. A bunch of my coworkers. Michael's my camera guy right now. But again, we're up here pheasant hunting. It's been a good morning. I'm actually limited out already on my pheasants. Michael has one, Dan has one, and his dad, Bill, also has shot one. So we are still working along. The guys are over here pushing a little chunk. Hopefully we can get into some Hungarian partridge or some quail. I don't know. I don't have high hopes for that, but anyways, we're gonna keep trying. Keeps flurrying a little bit, snow, but we're gonna stick at it. Hopefully we get some more. He's looking hard.
Oh, he's got the bird. He's got it. Good boy.
Holy shit, it died?
It died. Good boy. Good boy. I told you it went farther. Nala, no. Nala.
Well, I thought with 2 people touching it. Is it still warm?
With feathers. I think so.
No, that's got...
Looks fairly fresh.
Yeah, where does tail feathers go?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
Boy.
Look at that.
All of a sudden he's just got a rooster in his mouth. I was like, what?
What?
15 birds right there.
15. Come pick us up and run us to the end. They
Or do we just want to walk in
Okay,
right
bye.
here?
They're still getting up. Look at
walk
them.
in right
Start here and then walk east.
Yeah. Let's walk in here and just keep pushing them that way. Then we don't have anywhere to go.
I was gonna say or we could go that way and walk this way. Either way. If you want to just go in, let's go. We could just run circles.
It don't matter. Yeah. It don't matter to me.
Nash, come. Hey, come, dog.
Ready to enter battle, gentlemen?
Send it.
Rooster! Nice shot! We got it?
Yeah.
Pin! Pin!
Nala.
There's a lot of hens.
We get the one?
Did you get one?
We are done. We ended up with 9 birds here today. There were 6 of us shooting, so that puts us, what, halfway to our limit? The engineer behind the camera just confirmed that that math is correct. I'm not a math guy. Anyways, here's what's left. I had a blast shooting a triple. That was about as fun as you can get. I was hoping to maybe see some Hungarian partridge, but we didn't see any. The dog, especially the Brittany today, I think his name was Ollie. He flippin' did a great job. He was working up really well. The wire hairs, those were pretty cool to watch work as well. They were very big dogs. Anyways, we got some. We didn't limit out, but you can't do that every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the Bucket Boys, and we'll see you next time.